Hi everyone, this is Team 49 Buffoon Squad, and our project is a stock screener. So if you go to our website and you scroll down, you can see all the tickers that we're keeping track of. If you click into a ticker, you'll go to the ticker page, and there's some fundamental data, price data, as well as some news and tweets. So you can add tickers by searching up in the top right corner here, say AMD. And if it's already in our database, it'll pull it up. If it's not, it'll fetch it from an API and store it in our database. So for our first advanced function, we have custom user queries. We made it so that our backend parses Python formatting, and the prices available are day candles and minute candles. And these can be used in conjunction with operators that we provide here. We also have mean and standard deviation available, and you can see how to use them right here. And the example query and explanation of this will help users understand how to write a query. But basically, we can write a query and name it, let's say, testing 123. And the query can be the opening price of today is greater than the closing price of yesterday, for example. And we submit that. We can see here that it got added to our table, and here are all the tickers that match this. So for any one of these tickers, the opening price of that ticker for today is greater than the closing price from yesterday. And we can also remove. So our second advanced function is largest volume spikes, and this is a real-time calculation that's updated every minute. The 5 largest volume spikes are displayed here according to our custom algorithm, which calculates a value that is a ratio of the EMA with another custom value calculated with the lagging EMA. So the bigger this value is for the current minute, this stock has the most unusual volume spike. So for correlation and market cap grades, these are two interesting functions we came up with. The minute correlation and day correlation is the correlation between tickers of a certain sector. And well, positive correlation means that if a stock does well in this sector, then the other stocks are likely to do well. And if a negative correlation, then if a stock does well in this sector, the other stocks may do poorly. The market cap grade separates the S&P 500 companies we are tracking into 6 grades based on their market cap size. So 6 is the largest size, such as like Apple, and grade 1 are the smaller ones, which are still around like $5 billion market cap. And this shows how well they're doing on a daily basis and a minute basis. And yeah, that's about it for all the functionality. We hope that people can get more used to investing and learn different ways of investing. And we hope that users can use the query functionality to test out their own hypothesis and see how they do by checking out the tickers. So for example, 5 green days in a row, we can go to CME. If we search up CME, and we can see that indeed there are 5 green days in a row. So if you have a hypothesis, let's say a stock is 5 green days in a row, then you'll buy in for 5 more days and it goes up for 5 more days, then you would have made a profit here actually. So yeah, thank you for listening, and that's all.